How to use Lyft car seat option for the children. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know the ways to use a Lyft car seat option for the children. In order to use Lyft seat option for the children, you need to open the Lyft application first of all. Then you'll be taken to the home page. So from the home page, you need to select the car seat right type. So that you could locate it in the home page, or you could either go ahead and locate it. So after you're logged into your account, then it's going to take you to the home page. Now here you need to go and select the car seat right type option. When you actually select that, in my case I do not have this option or the feature. So what you can do is, next thing you want to do is set up a pickup and a drop off location. Then you need to request the ride. When the driver arrives, secure your child in a car seat belt. So this way you'll be able to use Lyft car seat option for the children. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.